No, respectable audience, my question is 20 divided by 2 times 5 minus 5. This question has two portions. The first portion is 20 divided by 2, and second portion is 5 minus 5.
So
20 divided by 2 will be equal to 10 times 5 minus 5 will be equal to 0. So 10 times 0 will be equal to 0 is our answer. But remember that 0 is not answer, so this method is wrong. No, I will solve it again. Actually, this question can be solved by dividing this operation first, and then multiplication will be solved secondly, and subtraction will be solved in third steps. So first step is division. 20 divided by 2 will be equal to 10 times 5 minus 5. The second step is multiplication. So 10 times 5 will be equal to 50 minus 5. Now, this word subtraction is third step, so 50 minus 5 will be equal to 45, which will be our correct answer. Thank you for watching and subscribing my YouTube video.